Removing the headlamps in C-Class W204. To remove the radiator grille, unclip the bottom edge of the grille. Using a plastic wedge, push the side pins out of the brackets. Note the two barbs in center. Using a screwdriver, carefully detach the grille and take it off. Unfasten the two expansion rivets from the plastic trim above the headlamps and remove the trim. Note, the headlamp itself is secured by several bolts. Remove the bolt 1. Note, located on the radiator side of the headlamp. Lift the vehicle so that you can turn the front wheel. Information: this makes it easier to work in the wheel well. In the wheel well, first detach the trim by removing the expansion rivets. Push the wheel well trim aside to access the 5 more bolts. First remove the 2 bolts between the bumper and the fender. Carefully pull off the fender, but do not remove it. Note, it is still attached to a round plastic guide piece. Now remove the bolt located behind the front fog lamp. Information: it connects the bumper to the body. Next, remove the headlamp cleaning system. Loosen the small screw in the bracket below the headlamp. Push the system out to the rear. From below, remove the bolt securing the upper edge of the headlamp. Remove the adjustment screw located behind the headlamp. Remove the bolt at edge toward the radiator grille. Information: this makes it easier to reach behind the bumper. Insert a rubber hammer or the like between the body and the bumper. Note, this is essential for removing the headlamp. Now lower the vehicle again. Carefully take out the headlamp, unplugging the headlamp cable. Note, to release the cable connector, gently press the connector tab. The headlamp is now completely detached and can be easily removed.